Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quick hollandaise sauce. First, gather your ingredients: 3 large egg yolks, 1 stick of unsalted butter, and fresh lemon juice. Melt the butter slowly over low heat until it's hot. This quick method ensures a smooth, rich sauce perfect for many dishes. We'll use a double boiler to prevent the eggs from cooking too fast. Next, combine your 3 egg yolks with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice in a heat-proof bowl. Place this bowl over a saucepan containing about 1 inch of simmering water. It's crucial that the bottom of your bowl does not touch the water. This gentle heat will cook the eggs slowly, preventing them from scrambling and creating a smooth base. Now for the magic. While continuously whisking the egg mixture, slowly drizzle in the hot melted butter. Add it in a very thin stream, especially at the beginning. Keep whisking vigorously as you add the butter. This process, called emulsification, binds the butter and eggs together, creating that classic velvety hollandaise texture. Finally, season your freshly made hollandaise sauce with a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding a small dash of cayenne pepper. It provides a lovely, subtle warmth. Serve your warm, creamy hollandaise immediately over eggs Benedict, asparagus, or poached salmon for a truly delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.